Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. I want to wish all the new subscribers welcome and thank you for joining the channel. Two of those subscribers, Vanessa Comagate and Wilson Koo, thank you for joining my channel. Well, I just wanted to go over a few stocks tonight, some stocks that pay you dividends, and they are the banks. Okay, so we did have the news today that Jerome Powell said he would raise interest rates. And I want to show you, this is a bank, Truist Financial Corp, and they are up over the last 5 years, 27%. So not super growth, but they are consistent. They pay a dividend of 3.22%. And if we look at over the last year, again, they're consistent, nothing super, $60 per share, but they pay you 3.22%. And again, banks are what lead us out of recession or hard times. So look at the banks. If we go into a bull market, we come out as bear market and go into a bull market, if the economy gets hot again, and we get all the people back employed that were lost during the pandemic, this stock can go a lot higher than $60 per share. And plus, while you hold it, they pay you 3.22% dividend annually. Okay, so that's the great news. Truist increases prime rate to 3.50%. And that's on the heels of what Fed Powell is talking about. He's talking about increasing the Federal Reserve, the internal interest rate, just by 0.25%. So now all the banks are increasing their interest rate, and that just makes them make more money each time they make a loan to you. Okay, so that's ticker symbol TFC, which was previously known as BB&T. It's now trading on the stock exchange at TFC. Okay, and now they're still trading over last year about $60 per share, but remember, they pay a dividend, so it's almost like a safe savings account. Okay, the next ticker symbol we'll talk about tonight is Bank of America. Again, Bank of America has been on the same tear. They're up over the last year pretty much 5.68%. But again, they pay a dividend of 1.96%. Okay, so they're not going to knock your socks off with a price over the last year. They're pretty much $40 per share. But had you invested during the pandemic, you would have seen they got up to 32. And then once they crash, I call it a reset, they are well above the 32 that they crashed in 2020. Now they're traded at $42 per share. So this is a good sign to understand that over time, banks make money. If their share price is $20 per share in 2019, their share price 10 years later will definitely be more than $40 per share. So this is just seen in a short time that over time, banks will increase their price share, but with solid, good growth. Okay, very predictable, very consistent. As you can see, they pay a 1.96% dividend. That means they have enough cash to pay out even after each quarter. They have plenty of cash left over. Okay, so that is Bank of America. Next stock, PNC Financial. Again, this is a little bit more pricey, trades at $192. But if you look at over the last year, it trades between $180 and roughly about $190. Okay, sometimes it got a little high, but overall it's a solid company, and they pay a 2.60% dividend. Okay, so that's a good way to save your money. Yes, it'll get high a little time at 200 per share, but overall you're looking at a 2.60% dividend. Okay, and more than likely, if an investor wants to put his money somewhere, he just wants to put it somewhere safe. It doesn't have to grow astronomically. It just has to be safe. Okay. And the last stock of the night is ticker symbol GTN, or Gray Television. Okay, we all watch television. Gray Television is an American public traded television broadcast company, in Atlanta, Georgia, founded in 1946 by James Gray as Gray Communication Systems, and now is in 113 markets, headquartered here in Atlanta, Georgia. And they pay a dividend of 1.35%. Okay, so Gray Television is a pretty decent stock. If you look at over the last year, it's pretty been flat, traded at $20 per share, and it's trading now at $23 per share. Not that much, a little over 16% over last year. They've been expanding, so that's always good. But Gray Television Network is up over 16% over the last year, and it pays a consistent dividend. Okay, so another thing about a stock that pays dividends, they're not going to fall off the map. They're not going to drop dramatically in price, okay, unless we have another crash like we did in 2020, okay, where the whole economy stopped, basically. Okay, so GTN, again, is television broadcast company, and they have thousands of networks across the United States, 180 stations across 113 markets. It's owned by GTN, or Gray Television Incorporated. Okay, so those were 4 stocks I wanted to talk about tonight that do pay dividends. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you'd like to get some free stock, please use my Robinhood. I have the Robinhood link below, and everybody have a good night.